Otomo Otomo spins gold. It is not easy to be a Japanese gnome. Nothing in the world is made to fit my size. That's one problem. Another problem is that everyone thinks that I am bad. Sometimes I play tricks on people. But that is rarely the case. I'll tell you a story and then you can decide for yourself. I was out for a walk, taking in the scenery, and I heard the unmistakable sound of a young woman crying. So I climbed the wall, brick by giant brick, up to the window. She told me that she had a big problem. She needed to turn a bale of hay into a string made of gold, using a spinning wheel, not just once, but every night for 5 nights. If she couldn't, a rich king would make her leave the kingdom. It just so happens that spinning straw into gold is my specialty. It is one of the perks of being a magical being. We all get something we are very good at. This is mine. So we made a deal. I would spin gold for her. All she had to do was guess my name. It is Otomo Otomo. She got 3 tries, each of the 5 nights. If she couldn't guess it, then she'd come to live with me and my sisters. It seemed like a good deal to me. She seemed confident, so I shook her hand. Then I took the straw back to my house. The next night I brought her gold. She was overjoyed. She made terrible guesses about my name. Norman, take Murrah, and Pete. I thought it would be very nice to have someone tall around to help clean the top of my bookshelf. I thought she would be very comfortable among my sisters and me in the forest. So the next 3 nights happened in much the same way. I took her straw home, sat and sang my spinning songs, made her gold, and brought it back. Every night she made uninformed, wild guesses at my name. They were hard to listen to, since they were so bad. Really? She thought my name was Sylvester? No parent would name a son Sylvester. So in the 5th and final night, I returned with the gold. She looked less defeated. She almost looked relieved. I started to get nervous, but I didn't want her to see that. I put the gold down and asked, "What is my name?" She made her first 2 guesses, Roy and Yoshida. My tiny heart leaped at the promise of her company, but then she smiled and said, "Otoma Otoma, that is your name." When I asked her how she knew my name, she told me that she heard me singing my song the night before. My spinning songs all include my name, so I went home alone. You see, I am not cruel or mean. It was just a deal we made that ended badly for me. And there will always be someone who needs my help. Maybe you do. How about it? What do you need?